Super quick tip for metal. If you're using little shears like this and you can't cut all the way through, I'll show you what I do. Saves a lot of time. Either grab another set of pliers or a vise. Don't always spend all your time cutting all your material if you don't have to. If you give this a couple of bends and bend it back and forth, you can usually end up snapping the work off from each end, and it'll save you a ton of cutting. So I made an incision on each end, and now look. Look at that. Snapped it off perfectly. It'll save you a lot of time and frustration. Took me a lot of time to learn some of these simple little tips, but if you're working on difficult little projects with tiny little pieces and radiuses you're cutting, half the time if you just make a little incision, it'll work fine. In this case, I'm making small pieces for this little muffler repair. And stuff like that, it works perfectly for. So hopefully you find the tip helpful, find it useful, and it saves you some time in the shop. See you on the next video.